Listen, half of the battle is just showing up, right? It might not turn out to be anything, but it's just about showing up. Showing up, meeting the people, and starting a conversation. You never know. And a lot of the times, you will find out that just by showing up, you're going to attract a brand deal, or you're going to attract a deal. You're going to remember someone. You're going to meet someone on the way. You might not even be the person that is going to be waiting for you there at the meeting. It might be someone on the way, or someone in a restaurant, or someone outside of the conference room that you meet, and something happens. You got to put yourself into situations where you are able to meet other people, right? This is one thing that is something that I'm not the best at, and something that I need to practice what I preach, is to put myself more into positions where I can meet other people. Because I get very comfortable being at home, being super comfortable, just like making content, and I have my routine and swimming and all this, so then I'm like, oh, I'm kind of dreading like flying somewhere, dreading to go somewhere. It's like, why would we do it? We can build a business from home, yada yada. But you need to go for it. You need to do it, because you're going to meet the people, and you need to intentionally once a month, look up. By the way, ChatGPT agent, bro, whatever it is you're doing, is like, tell me in the next 3 to 6 months, what are some of the events in Europe, for example, if you're in Europe or in Asia or in the US, that I can attend in my industry. Then say your niche, say your industry, say what your goals at, and then like be very specific in the prompt, and then set it to ChatGPT agent. You don't even need to research anything, bro. ChatGPT agent goes out and does all the research of all the events, and then you can be like, oh, go in, check it out, who is going to be there, who is attending, what the speakers are like, how much the pricing, and then, dude, just go for it, man. Go for it. Even if you think you're not going to benefit. The first thing you're going to feel is like, oh man, I'm not going to benefit from this. Who am I going to meet? But it's a social event. You're going to meet people, and you're going to start conversations, and that's very important. So go and do it. Go meet people, find events, buy your ticket, buy your flight, go there, drive there, walk there, something. I don't know. And meet people, talk to people. If you can't start a conversation, get a hoodie or a t-shirt that says in the back, please talk to me, I'm shy, or I make videos, come talk to me, or I make content, come talk, something like this, If you are doing the content thing, if you're doing like the whole online thing, dude, there's so many online trolls, there's so much crazy shit online that you should not care. Like, you should not care about the good comments, you should not care about the bad comments. You should just be like neutral. You think that I'm good looking? Great, thanks. You think I'm a piece of shit? Great. I don't care. You think that I was not helpful? All right, whatever. I don't care. So adapting this mindset of just like neutrality and not being affected. The only person that I care about my own opinion is myself, what I think about myself, that's what matters. And like I know if I'm slipping, if I'm starting to get some negative thoughts, if I'm starting to think some weird stuff, if I'm starting to adapt some bad habits in my head or whatever I'm starting to craving, I know it first thing, So you're only accountable to yourself. It's you versus you, 100%.